Icons of Modern Management, From Drucker to Kotler. Part 2. From Drucker to Kotler, Icons of Modern Management explores the influential thinkers who revolutionized business strategy, leadership, and marketing. Visionaries like Peter Drucker and Philip Kotler laid the foundation for modern corporate success. Their groundbreaking ideas continue to shape management practices across the globe. 26. Nagavara Ramarao Narayana Murthy, year 1946. N.R. Narayana Murthy is the founder of Infosys and a key figure in India's IT revolution. He promoted transparency, corporate governance, and global competitiveness. Murthy leadership positioned India as a major software exporter. 27. Michael Saul Dell, year 1965. Michael Dell is the founder and CEO of Dell Technologies. He revolutionized the PC industry with direct-to-consumer sales and supply chain innovation. Dell built one of the world's largest tech companies from his college dorm room. 28. John Francis Welch Jr., year 1935 to 2020. Jack Welch was the iconic CEO of General Electric, GE, known for his aggressive management style and emphasis on performance. Under his leadership, GE became the most valuable company in the world. Welch was a symbol of corporate efficiency and restructuring. 29. Carl Gustav Kassel, year 1866 to 1945. Carl Kassel was a Swedish economist and key proponent of the quantity theory of money. His theories influenced early 20th century monetary economics. Kassel also contributed to general equilibrium theory and price stability policy. 30. Michael Eugene Porter, year 1947. Michael Porter is a Harvard professor and a leading authority on competitive strategy. He introduced the Five Forces framework and the concept of value chains. Porter's ideas revolutionized business strategy and industry analysis. 31. Mark Elliott Zuckerberg, year 1984. Mark Zuckerberg is the co-founder and CEO of Meta, formerly Facebook, the world's largest social media platform. He reshaped global communication and digital advertising. Zuckerberg is a central figure in the tech-driven social media era. 32. Sir Keith Arthur Murdoch, year 1885 to 1952. Keith Murdoch was an Australian journalist and media executive who built a powerful newspaper empire. He laid the foundation for the global media influence of his son, Rupert Murdoch. His legacy shaped Australian journalism and media consolidation. 33. Lawrence, Larry, Page, year 1973. Larry Page is the co-founder of Google and a pioneer in internet search technology. He played a key role in developing the PageRank algorithm that revolutionized web search. Page later led Alphabet Inc., Google's parent company. 34. Luther Gulick, year 1890 to 1993. Luther Gulick was a political scientist and expert in public administration. He contributed to the classical management theory in the POSDCORB framework: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, reporting, budgeting. Gulick emphasized organizational efficiency in public service. 35. Frederick Wallace Smith, year 1944 to 2025. Frederick W. Smith was the founder of FedEx and transformed global logistics with overnight delivery. He pioneered the hub-and-spoke distribution model. Smith revolutionized express shipping and helped shape modern supply chain management. 36. Howard Schultz, year 1953. Howard Schultz is the former CEO of Starbucks and credited with transforming the company into a global coffeehouse brand. He emphasized customer experience and employee welfare. Schultz made Starbucks a symbol of modern retail culture. 37. Jimmy Donald Wales, year 1966. Jimmy Wales is the co-founder of Wikipedia, the world's largest free encyclopedia. He championed open knowledge and collaborative content creation. Wales's platform has become a cornerstone of global education and information. 38. Muhammad Yunus, year 1940. Muhammad Yunus is a Bangladeshi economist and Nobel Peace Prize laureate known for pioneering microfinance. He founded Grameen Bank to empower the poor through small loans. Yunus's model became a global movement for financial inclusion. 39. Stephen Richards Covey, year 1932 to 2012. Stephen Covey was a leadership expert and author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. His principles-based teachings influenced millions in business and personal development. Covey promoted integrity, effectiveness, and lifelong learning. 40. Azim Hashim Premji, year 1945. Azim Premji is an Indian business tycoon and philanthropist who led Wipro's transformation into a global IT powerhouse. Known as the Tsar of the Indian IT industry, he also donated billions to education and social causes. 41. Eric Schmidt, year 1955. Eric Schmidt is a technology executive who served as CEO and executive chairman of Google. He played a crucial role in scaling Google into a tech giant. Schmidt is also known for advocating AI development and tech policy leadership. 42. Henry Ford, year 1863-1947. Henry Ford revolutionized the automobile industry by introducing mass production and the assembly line. He made cars affordable for the average American. Ford's innovations transformed manufacturing and society. 43. Walt Disney, year 1901-1966. Walt Disney was an American animator, entrepreneur, and founder of the Disney Entertainment Empire. He introduced beloved characters and the concept of theme parks. Disney's legacy blends creativity with business acumen. 44. Sekichi Toyoda, year 1867-1930. Sekichi Toyoda was a Japanese inventor and industrialist, known as the father of the Japanese Industrial Revolution. He founded Toyota Industries and developed the first automatic loom. His innovations laid the groundwork for Toyota Motor Corporation. 45. Andrew Carnegie, year 1835-1919. Andrew Carnegie was a Scottish-American industrialist who led the expansion of the U.S. steel industry. He later became a major philanthropist, funding libraries, education, and peace initiatives. Carnegie embodied the rags to riches American dream. 46. Madam C.J. Walker, year 1867-1919. Madam C.J. Walker was America's first self-made female millionaire. She built a successful haircare empire serving African American women. Walker was also a philanthropist and civil rights activist. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.